from NCERT textbook for class 9th, chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. In that topic is 3.2 Cartesian system. In Cartesian system, see, this is horizontal line, this is vertical line. Okay, on the right side, this is called here x, and on the left side it is called x dash. This line it is called x axis, and that's the vertical line here it is called y axis. So we'll name as y, and at the down y dash. On the right side of the x axis there should be a positive number, and on the left side there should be a negative number. Same as in y axis, on the upper side we'll write a positive number, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on. Okay, you can continue that number, and on the downwards we have to write negative number. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and so on. Okay. These two lines make the intersect at the one point which is called O, that is called origin. Okay, this intersect at the one point that is called origin, and these two lines make a four part. First part is called first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth part is called fourth quadrant. Okay, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Like this way only we have to move. So first, second, third and fourth. Now how to write the point on this? See, this is abscissa and coordinate. Now abscissa means we have to write the number of x-axis, and coordinate means we have to always write the number of y ordinate. Now if we'll take example as 2, 3. Now we have to plot the point 2 and 3. So we have to take this point from 2, one point from x-axis which is positive 2, and next point is from y-axis which is 3. So the point should be here. Take these two lines and 3 intersect at this point. So this is point 2 and 3. Now if you had given the example minus 2, 4. Now minus 2 is of x-axis, so minus 2 here, and 4 is of y-axis, positive 4. So here they are intersecting from here, this line. Okay, this line is intersecting, so point should become here. So minus 2 and 4 is the point. Now see, on the first quadrant the x and y axis is positive, only positive and positive. In the second quadrant x axis is negative and y axis is positive. So what will x is negative and y is positive. So minus plus. Here in the third quadrant both the axis is negative, so negative, and in last fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative, so positive, negative is that. Okay, now take us both the negative number which is minus 3 and minus 5. Okay, now this we have to plot the point minus 3 from x-axis, so minus 3 from x-axis, and minus 5 from y-axis, so minus 3 and minus 5. So it will come on this point. What is the point? Minus 3 and minus 5. Now let us do the exercise 3.2. Write down the answer of each of the following question. What is the name of horizontal and the vertical line drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? Now what is the name of horizontal and vertical line? This horizontal line is x-axis and this vertical line is y-axis. So what we will call the name of the horizontal line is x-axis and the vertical line is y-axis. Okay, this is your answer. What is the name of each part of the plane form these two lines? What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? Which part that are forming these four parts? Okay, what are we calling this part? Quadrant. Okay, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So we are calling quadrant is called quadrant. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Where they are intersecting? Vertical line and horizontal line at the origin. Okay, they are intersecting at the origin. That's your answer. Now question number 2. See figure 3.14 and write the following. The coordinate of B. We have to write coordinate means x and y. Okay, x and y coordinate of B. Where is the point B is there? Here. Now which are the coordinate? For the x it is -5 and for the y it is 2. So which is the coordinate? -5 and 2. So here we can write -5 and 2. The coordinate of C. Again we have to find the coordinate of C. Where is the point C? Here. Okay, for the x we are writing always first as x. So 5 and y is -5. So 5 and -5. 5 and -5. Next, the point identify by the coordinate -3, -5. Now here we have to find the point. Here we are finding coordinate. Here we have to find the point. Which point? -3 and -5. So here see -3 and y of -5. Which point? Point E. So we'll write here point E. Fourth one, the point identified by the coordinates 2, -4. Which coordinate 2 and -4? We have to find the point. First we are looking for 2. 2 is of positive x and another point is -4 is G. So point here is G. The abscissa of the point D. Abscissa means we have to write the x. Right? X point of point D. Which is the x point of point D? Where is the point D? Here. 6. Okay. So x point of point D is 6. The ordinate of the point H. Now y. Huh? Here it is y. Ordinate means y of point H. Where is the point H? Here. So ordinate here it is -3. So write here -3. The coordinate of point L. We have to find the coordinate means x and y. Okay. Coordinate x and y of point L. Point L. Here. Okay. Here on the line means first we have to take 0. Okay, for x-axis and for y-axis it is 5. So 0 and 5. 0, 5. The coordinate of point M. Where is the point M? Here. See, on the x-axis. So for the x-axis it is -3 and for the y it is 0. So answer is -3, 0. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.